Hello, I'm Jamie.
I'm Brent.
From the Stevens Tractor Company. In today's product info video, we're taking a look at our deluxe row hipper. It comes with our heavy-duty 60-inch long toolbar with a 2.5-inch square tubing, some heavy-duty, fully adjustable clamps, and the row hippers themselves come with the 16-inch notched blades.
Yeah, this unit here is designed for tractors up to about 50 horsepower. It's very durable, very well built. It does come with 1-inch cast style bearings and spools with the 1-inch square axle, and it does have the 16-inch blades. This unit is adjustable for the width of your tractor and the tractor wheels. Nice advantage of the hipper unit is that as you're building your rows, it'll eliminate that tire track behind your wheels to eliminate the use of having to have track plows. It is fully adjustable. You can adjust the angle and the turn on it, and to really build some nice rows.
And the toolbar is also available in orange, red, or green, your choice. And if you'd like more product info about this product or like our garden line row hipper, we'll talk about that next week, so stay tuned for that. You can come visit the store here in Coshada, Louisiana, give us a call, or visit the website at stevenstractor.com. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button for the Stevens Tractor Company YouTube. We're going to be coming out with more videos real soon. And follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Stevens Tractor Company. That's all we got for this week, so thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.